Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alan, and I'm currently converting my Ram ProMaster into a tiny home on wheels. In the last video, I worked on the subfloor, so in this one, I'm moving on to flooring along with a first pass at framing. Right after completing the subfloor, I went ahead and applied sound deadening mats around the inside of the van. Nothing too complicated here, just working panel by panel to help reduce some of the road noise down the line. From there, I started working on the framing. For this first pass, I installed horizontal supports on both sides of the van using plus nuts and foam adhesive. For the vertical pieces, I used glue along with pocket holes to secure everything together. As I was working through the framing, I realized I had jumped the gun a bit. Since I'm planning to add a divider wall in this build, fully continuing framing would have meant putting that wall up right away. And to install that wall properly, I need to extend the cabin platform slightly. So before getting to that point, it made more sense to pause framing and move on to flooring first. The flooring process itself was pretty straightforward. The first step was choosing the type and color. I went with vinyl plank flooring, specifically the Life-Proof Trail Oak 22mm Click Lock waterproof vinyl plank from Home Depot. I'm no interior designer, but I have a general idea of the look I'm going for, and I'm hoping this ties everything together nicely. For the installation, I started in one corner of the van, specifically the corner by the sliding door, and worked my way across going from left to right. Whenever I needed to make cuts to fit around the curves of the van, I used a cardboard template first to get the shape right, then transfer that onto the plank. That helped keep things a bit more precise. From there, it was just a matter of lining up each plank and using a tapping block to make sure everything clicked onto place before moving on to the next piece. Once all the flooring was installed, I added corner edge trim to protect the edges and to give it a more finished look. Overall, the flooring installation wasn't too complicated. It was just a bit time consuming, especially around the edges. Next up would probably be more framing, insulation, or maybe the divider wall. I guess we'll have to see. I'm gonna keep it short, so that's it for this one. If you want to keep up with the build, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.